When customers place an order online, one of the first questions they ask is, "Where is my package?" As a Shopify store owner, providing clear and branded order tracking isn't just a convenience, it's a key part of the customer experience. This is where Panel comes in. ParcelPanel is a Shopify integrated app that allows you to build a fully branded order tracking page, send automated shipment notifications, and reduce the "where is my order" support burden on your team. It connects directly to your Shopify store and carriers, meaning your customers can check the latest delivery status without leaving your website. In this video, we'll walk through the core features of Parcel Panel, explain how it helps Shopify merchants, and show why it's an excellent choice for improving post-purchase engagement. So the first thing that you want to do is, of course, open up your Shopify store. Now from here, we want to go to the left-hand side, so you'll see a bunch of different features right here. So what we want to do is first add the Parcel Panel app. So to do that, just head over to Apps right here, click on Add, and from here you want to click on this blue text right here, which says Shopify App Store. Now you will be redirected to a new tab, and from here, simply search for Parcel Panel. And as you can see, we have this Parcel Panel order tracking app right here. Simply click on it. So you'll see all of the details of this app. So as you can see, you can track your orders and last mile delivery, sync shipping info to PayPal tracking. You can also engage customers with Parcel Panel notifications when order status updates, branded tracking page with estimated delivery dates and more, hide all Chinese origin details with one click, so it's perfect for drop shipping business, and it has a smart upsell system, shipping protection, powerful analytics, and 24/7 support. So as you can see, we have this free version right here. We also have the upgraded versions, which is the Essential, Professional, and Enterprise. As you can see, we have the reviews to make sure that this is a good platform or app for your order tracking in Shopify. So to add this to your Shopify store, simply click on Install. So the parcel panel is loading, so just wait for it to load. And from here, just simply click on Install. And as you can see, you have successfully installed Parcel Panel to your Shopify. So as you can see, this is how the app will look like. So we have this quick setup guide right here. So this is what you want to do first to get used or to get to know how Parcel Panel works. So you can add your tracking page. So just simply paste it right here. You can customize your shipping notifications. Click here. You'll be redirected to the settings. That is your shipping notifications. You can either select the notifications to customers. You can enable this info received, in transit, out of delivery, ready for pickup, delivered, exception, or failed attempt. You can also use this notifications to yourself. So basically, to enable this, you'll need to upgrade your plan to the essential plan so it doesn't work on the free plan. Let's go back. So next you can do the drop shipping mode. So you can go to enable in the settings again. You'll be redirected to your settings, and of course you can enable this feature. And click right here and you'll see how Parcel Panel works. So basically in the Parcel Panel app homepage, you'll see all of your shipments, your total retention revenue. So as you can see, you can click on this. This is your delivery performance, valid tracking, saved staffing time. You can also see this recommended next steps for stores like yours. So basically, these are other apps. So what we want to do is go next to our tracking page. So this is our tracking page. To preview it, simply click right here. So basically, I haven't set up my store yet. So if you have edited all of the settings right here, from your appearance to language to custom shipment status to post-purchase EDD, product recommendation. If you are already set all of this up, you will now be seeing a preview right here. And this is how the tracking page will look like. Next, we have our orders. So you'll see all of the orders right here. So you can track all of the orders, the tracking number, the carrier, last checkpoint, the transit time, order date, and status. So you can track all of the orders right here. Next, we have the protection section. So as you can see, it has a worry-free delivery. This is the parcel protection. So to apply this, you'll need to upgrade your plan. Next is the settings. As you can see, you have the general settings right here. And take note, as we mentioned earlier, there are some settings right here, such as shipping notifications, that cannot be used in the free version. So you'll need to upgrade to the essential plan. Next, we have the pre-purchase EDD setting. So for here, you'll need to upgrade to the professional plan to use this display feature. So EDD widget, you can add the widget, you can edit your widget. You'll see the default and specific rules right here. We also have exclusion rules. And basically, this is all of the settings. Next is analytics. As you can see, you'll see the analytics right here. You'll see graphs and charts, all of the shipment status, shipment details. You'll see it all in one page. Next is integration. So basically, you can integrate other apps to this ParcelPanel app. And next is our billing. So this is all of your billing. You'll see, as you can see, we have the free version. You'll see all of your quota usage. I still have 20. Basically, your pricing details and the available features of your plan. So that's basically it. So feel free to explore more about the Parcel Panel app to get used to it. And in no time, you'll be using it for your Shopify store. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.